Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this particular section we are talking about what is TK-Inter, because of this is the first section of TK-Inter. So that's why I need to cover up that particular topic. Okay, so this topic is really helpful. So first of all, just bring up that you need a PyCharm editor and then you need a virtual environment. For the virtual environment, you can just search it here and just command prompt, and then command prompt is here, and you need to just type out here like pip. If you are in Windows, pip install virtual environment, so env, and that's it. After that, he is just downloading the environment because this is needed. Okay, this is something like very important to use the TK-Inter. And if you are coming from, if you are using any kind of Ubuntu or any other Linux operating system, you need to just type pip3. But before we type in pip install the virtual environment, you need to configure that you are installing the Python, because of Python is very important, because all the things, all the packages have been inbuilt in the Python. So that's why you need to install the Python. Then you can move on to the PyCharm, and please install the PyCharm, because of PyCharm is a very amazing tool. Now here is the twist. I didn't wanted to give you any kind of how we can install the PyCharm, like that particular stuff, just because of everyone know about that, right? PyCharm is a very popular tool, and if you are saying that, hey, I doesn't know how we can install the PyCharm on my machine, so you need to just watch another YouTube video, and you can just install PyCharm and then move on to this particular video, because I don't want to create any long size video. Okay, so that's why I just here, and just you can see this, my PyCharm has been open right now, and I'm just creating the one particular project. This is a python underscore TK-Inter. So you need to create one particular project at your space. You wanted to create your project on desktop, you can create on desktop. I'm just creating my project on D drive, so that's why I can analyze better. Okay, but this is the interface look like this. Okay, so you need to just click on projects, but before I just going on to the project, I need to go for the settings, because of I need to set my fonts right now. Okay, so here is, I hope this is the font, and I need to get a size of 16. So that's good to you know what, you can see better, you can see code better way. Okay, and after that you can just click on right click on the python underscore TK-Inter, click on new, and just create one particular Python file, and it is my first dot py, and that's pretty much it. You can just create first dot py. So now let's talk about what is TK-Inter. You can say that uh, configure Python interpreter. Okay, if you are facing this particular problem, you can just check it out. You can choose your Python interpreter, apply. Okay, apply, and okay. So let's just talk about what is TK-Inter, because of its installing some files. So what is TK-Inter is that TK-Inter is an amazing tool. If you know that we are typing some Python codes onto the command, and we are giving output from the command prompt, or we are just typing code and which is on the black and white. So what I wanted to do is, if I just wanted to give my this particular project to the another user which is not in programming stuff, how they can analyze it, how they can use it, where there is a question, right? So let me think that if I just creating any GUI like user interface, look like my mobile phone or your mobile phone, uh, if you are creating the GUI, he can understand better. So that's why he can gives you that particular power. You can create your own graphical user interface, and you can just create all the things. You can merge your program onto TK-Inter, and you can create a GUI. It responds like your program. Okay, so this is the amazing tool. You can just go and check that out. Now first we need to import the package of TK-Inter. So from from TK-Inter, you can see this TK-Inter import, here is star. So now what is the meaning of TK-Inter import star, from TK-Inter import star? Well, this is the thing. If you are coming from my previous videos, which is on Python series, so you can analyze it better. Okay, so from TK-Inter is that TK-Inter is a package. We are saying that, hey, from the TK-Inter package, import all the files. I'm just using all the files onto my program, and that's it. Okay, it doesn't. It's not so much complicated. So that's why now here is the twist. If after this, I need to create one TK-Inter. So I'm just importing the package, but I need to create one variable to display my TK-Inter, like my GUI. So how can I do this? Let's root is equal to, and tk is the function, tk is a package, tk is module, which is almost like you can say that it is a function which will display your GUI platform. Okay, but still we are just, this particular package like tk is the package which is importing into the root. So after the root you can change lot of things, okay, with the help of root directly. Okay, but before we that, I just creating root dot. So now I'm just creating a root main loop. Okay, so main loop, and that's pretty much it. It can display your basic GUI. Okay, so let's get started. Now I'm just run this. Oh, it's here. Onto my second screen. Look like this. It is TK. So this is your GUI, and it's look like this. But we can change a lot more things with the help of more things like widgets, and you can use geometry. You can use you do dot title, so you can change your title. You can see this. This is TK. TK is a title, right? But it is by default title. I just wanted to create my own title. So how can I do this? So let's just say that. So guys, before some time, I'm just talking about that's root, right? Root is performing all the things which is on the tk package. So root dot, you can see this lot more things have been presented like main loop, after underscore id. Well, we are talking about all of this, but certainly let's just say that, hey, I want to change the title. So you can do this, I can change the title of it, and just saying that start, let's say start is the basic thing. And if I just rerun it, oh, this is the amazing thing. You can see this start. So title has been successfully, you know what, set it out and start. But now here is the thing. What I wanted to do one more thing. Like if you can see this, it's by default size like this. But I wanted to create my particular windows. So I just wanted to create my particular window onto this. So how can I do this? So let's just say root dot. Now here is the twist. Okay, if you wanted to create your own size window, you need to get a geometry. I know geometry is little bit funny stuff, but it's geometry. So you can just create your own size for your own GUI platforms. Okay. Now in the geometry, you need to give them a string and say that, hey, 300 is width multiplied by height. Okay. So width is 300, and let's multiply it. For the multiplication, you are not using the star, you need to use x. Okay, so 300 multiplied by 300, and that's pretty much it. If I just rerun it, you can see this little bit size has been increased. If I just increase my to 500, so you can analyze it better, you can see this. So you can change your size also, okay, with the help of geometry concept. So I didn't want to create a long size video, but so that's why I just saying that try it by yourself, and if you are getting some kind of errors, don't worry, it's just 7 lines of code, not only 7, but it's still 5 lines of code. You can do this by yourself. In the next video we are just talking about widgets, and this is the amazing concept. Okay, so hopefully you are enjoying it. Let's meet up in the next one.